Mrs. Yolanda G. Tongco, our school president, Mr. Juanito G. Tongco, our school director, Ms. Josefine Gapa, our school principal, our distinguished guests, our dear teachers, beloved parents, classmates, and friends. Good afternoon to everyone. Truly, graduation is a very memorable event in our life as a pupil, for it is a moment of joy, elation, thanksgiving, and a moment of victory. Today, we have finally reaped the fruits of our labor, being the culmination of our 6 years of study and painstaking effort. In this momentous occasion, our graduation from elementary, it is an indication of our having been equipped with the desired competencies, basic skills, and sense of values that will see us through to the next level of our educational pursuit, that is, high school life. As we celebrate this special day, we cannot help but feel grateful to all those who have helped us surmount effortlessly the obstacles elementary life brought. To our teachers and mentors who have armed us with the knowledge, desirable attitudes, and skills that will help us hurdle the challenges along the way and brought out the best in us. You deserve our heartfelt gratitude, especially for your never-ending patience, care, and love for us. To our school administrators, who unselfishly provided us the educational preparation we needed in order to shape our future, to inspire us to achieve our goals in life. We shall always remember this great institution, our alma mater, the Montessori School of Immaculate Conception. More power to you. To our beloved parents, who have been with us, especially during our times of struggles, with our homeworks, exams, projects, and school activities. We love you so much for your unconditional love and sacrifices. To my friends and fellow graduates, let us march on and believe in ourselves, for when we make use to the optimum the tools and skills we have learned, you will see that there are golden opportunities out there that will help us be the leaders our country needs today. And so, in behalf of the graduating class of 2010, it is my honor and privilege to welcome each and every one of you to the 16th Elementary Commencement Exercises of the Montessori School of Immaculate Conception. Thank you.